Hi, everybody. It's Austin Reed. Welcome back to Central Valley Talk. We're live and local on this Thursday. It is the 22nd of July. I'm Austin Reed coming to you from our Tower District studios. Hey, we're talking real estate again. My next guest is Nirmal, live here in our studio with Great American Realty.
Yes,
Hello
please.
there.
Hello, dear. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
Okay.
So, how long have you been in real estate?
Maybe more than 20 years. Actually, 21 years.
Okay.
Yeah, so I have been enjoying doing this.
You love what you do?
Yes, I love what I do.
What,
Yeah.
Obviously we are still seeing a house crunch. There's not enough houses to sell.
Yes, yes, please.
Buyers are frustrated. Interest rates are still low. What else is going on?
Too hot, my friend. Since the pandemic, I think last single year the market went up maybe 12% or 13% in the very last year.
Unbelievable.
Because the job environment is changed, okay? From the offices, people move to the online, right? So they can work from wherever they want.
That's right.
Comfort of their home, they can work from.
Well, and just in Fresno, we are one of the fastest growing cities in the entire state of California.
Because the houses are comparatively cheaper here.
Right.
Compared to Los Angeles area or the Bay Area.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why people
are making the move.
People employ, not everybody is a rich guy, okay? Somehow they manage to get the loan and make the money, okay? Most people are hardworking people, right? So we try to at least, because house, food, right? They are the basic necessities of every human being.
Yeah.
So everybody wants a roof on his head. Whatever they can afford.
Yeah. You have some listings today.
Yes, please.
Let's talk about those.
I have 3 listings. They are beautiful houses. Yeah, people call all the time. But and I am going to show another house this afternoon.
Oh, great. Okay, very good.
Yes,
I think we've got the first listing. It's this picture.
Yes,
You can see
Louis
that.
Court. Yes, please. It's a beautiful 5-bedroom house. The owners, they live in the Bay Area. They moved here for some time, but they did not find a suitable employment here. So he moved to the Bay Area. Then he rented the house, but now because the prices are good, so he said, let us sell it here and do something over there.
Beautiful pictures.
Yes, it is a very, very nice house.
So 5 bedrooms. Oh, I love that.
5 bedrooms
I love
and
that
3
staircase.
bathroom, 3 car garage.
Dang.
This is a large, this is a bungalow, very, very beautiful house.
This will probably go very quick.
Yes, it is ready to go. The tenants, they are trying to find some accommodation. They are very good tenants, okay? They are up to date on their rent. Just they are trying to find a suitable accommodation so that we will be able to show the house to the customers.
What's the price point?
$499.
$499.
Not, it is a very reasonable price
For how big it is,
this
yeah.
big large house. 3350 square feet about.
Right. And so people can connect with you if they want to buy this house. And what city is this in again?
This is Fowler. You
In
know,
Fowler,
it is
okay.
for Fresno County last year. Fowler saw the biggest increase in prices last year.
Oh, I
and
didn't know
also
that.
it is a small, beautiful city
Okay.
to the south of Fresno.
Yeah, it's a suburb.
Yeah, it is a suburb of Fresno.
Yeah.
You are very right.
Okay, cool. You've got, I think, 2 other listings, right?
Yes, 2 other listings. Yes, one is another. This is very grand house.
Okay.
The owners are living over there and they have upgraded everything. This is about 3750 square feet.
Okay. Wow.
So there is a large pool and everything upgraded, my friend.
Beautiful hardwood floors.
Yes, beautiful hardware. Everything you will see upgrades.
Man, that's
Everywhere
gorgeous.
you will see upgrades. This is a very, if somebody wants to, if somebody can afford, my friend,
Yeah. And what city is this one in?
this one in Fresno. This
This is
over
in Fresno,
there. It is by Fowler and Shields Avenue.
Okay. Okay. Great.
Nice location, close to shopping, beautiful schools over there, Clovis Unified Schools over there.
Yeah.
And,
Another.
this is a pride of ownership.
Okay.
Anybody who can buy it, he will enjoy it.
I love the staircase on this one as we
Yes,
were looking
my
at
friend,
it earlier.
The owners, they are very passionate people.
And what's the price point on this?
This is 849.
$849.
849.
Okay.
Yes, please. I think that in the ballpark of what it should appraise for.
Yeah, it's fancy.
Yes,
It's super fancy.
because it is a grand house.
Last but not least, listing number 3.
Yes, last night that is a 4-bedroom. That's also a beautiful house. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and also it is close to the 99 highway, shopping, everything over there.
Okay.
You know, Fowler already is a small town, so you just get out of the house and take the highway.
Right, right. And that's a nice.
Actually, I am going to show that to somebody tomorrow.
Oh, you are? Okay.
Yes,
Nice
please.
patio.
So, yes, please.
Uh,
Otherwise, also the housing market is hot. Moreover, it has a large yard, you know, RV parking. If
Uh-huh.
anybody is interested to do RV parking, they can do the RV parking here.
beautiful. And what's
Yeah.
the price point on this one?
It's 400,000.
Oh, that's it?
Yes, it's a nice house.
not
Yes,
bad.
please. Very
Okay.
reasonable price.
Very reasonable. Yeah, this will be gone.
Yes, very well maintained house.
This will be gone probably by the end of the
Yes,
week.
yes, I am going to show tomorrow. Just
Okay.
one lady called me right now, so
Wow.
hopefully it should be gone soon.
People can connect with you at 559
284-4436, yes, please.
284-4436
Yes, please.
or go to loanmakers.us.
Yes, or email me. Give me
Okay.
my email, nimoranu@yahoo.com.
Perfect.
Okay.
Well, happy summer and happy selling.
Oh, my dear friend, thank you so much.
I appreciate you
very,
coming in today.
Very nice to talk to you. Okay, be best buyers and everybody safe.
Yeah,
Safe summer.
that's right. Connect
Okay.
with Thermal. I'm Austin
Okay.
Reed. You're watching
Okay.
Central Valley Talk.
Yeah.
We'll be back with
Oh.
another guest soon. Stay with us.
Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody.